Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm Steph Sherry and I'm so happy you're here on my channel. I do tons of cleaning motivation, decorating, organization, and shopping hauls. And in today's video, I am doing a kitchen appliance desperate clean inside and out of my oven and my dishwasher, and then also behind some of my appliances. And then right now I am going to be cutting my Mr. Clean sponges in half. This definitely doubles what you have. And when you buy these from Costco, I think it comes with, I want to say 30. And so obviously this would give you 60. And these things are a lifesaver. If you like this kind of content and you need some motivation to tackle some areas in your house, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit like and leave me a comment and introduce yourself.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it, so cold yet warm when you hold me.
For my stovetop today, I'm going to be using this pink stuff. It is a paste, and it is really gentle and supposed to be non-abrasive to the surface. I'm using a microfiber cloth to just kind of rub it around. This stuff works really, really well, but just my honest review, it was really, really messy. Even when I only just used a little bit, I couldn't get it to stretch, so I had to keep adding more, but I mean, this just got everywhere. And then when it was time to take it off of the stove, I used like half of a paper towel, to be just truly honest. But it did do the job, but just prepare yourself that it is definitely messy.
I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit.
I am also spraying this multi-surface stuff from the same brand, Pink Stuff, because I was just trying to loosen up the paste after I was done applying it to the stovetop. It did help get some of the paste off a little quicker, but I mean, I had to go back in multiple times to try to get this completely off.
Little bit lighter with you, something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Here you can see a bunch of burnt on stains that I was having a really hard time getting off. So I put a little bit more of the Pink Stuff paste on, and then I go back in with, honestly, the real MVP here, the magic eraser. The two together did a really good job, but I had to put, I mean, a lot of elbow grease into this to get it off. And I mean, you're going to see here, I had to scrub over and over and over before it finally came off. But I mean, it did do the job if you just hang in there.
When you hold me, when you close, I know
text note. I won't gas you up like petrol, just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far, I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are, cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit light.
To finish the stovetop, I'm coming back in with some Windex to just leave a little bit of a shine. But I was really struggling to get rid of the streaks, which I normally don't ever have this issue with Windex. But instead, I ran to grab my Jaws glass cleaner, and that left the most beautiful shine on my appliances. So this may be my new go-to for that.
With you, something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter, right through the gray.
Next, I'm going to really scrub down the inside of my microwave. My kids are constantly heating up food, and I know they're supposed to cover things, but they don't. It's just not what happens. So I'm going to throw this little glass tray in the dishwasher and get that cleaned really well and sanitized, and also clean the inside of this out really, really well.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't.
Moving on to the inside of my oven, I'm going to take this apart and spray this down with this Easy Off. I found this one in the fume free, and this was great. They did not leave any horrible smell, and I was not choking on the fumes. There is another one that does leave a horrible smell, but this one was perfect. So I sprayed this in here. On the spray bottle on the back, it says to leave this in here for about an hour and a half. I did get impatient and leave it in for about 45 minutes and then come back in and scrub it. So you're going to see that I have to come back in and redo it again. But you guys, if there is ever a time where I started a project and then absolutely regretted every bit of it, it was this right here. I was excited to get it done, and that died almost immediately. This took me forever. So, I mean, it's clean. It looks great, and you'll see at the end, it's super shiny and looks brand new, but there was just a bunch of regret going into this halfway through.
About what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Two different minds.
Again, going in with the magic eraser and the heavy duty sponge. like I said before, this was the real MVP. This took off some of the most stubborn burnt on stains on these little covers. Absolutely amazing. I also went into my oven and scrubbed out all of the grease that was in there. Also, that screw just laying in there, I have no idea where it went. I couldn't even find a missing, I couldn't find a spot where a screw was missing. So just a mystery screw laying in the bottom of my oven.
We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
You know just what to say to make it all okay. 'Cause I am too blind to see when you're in front of me. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds, telling lies. That's how we stay alive.
That's how we stay
At
alive.
least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
Oh, oh, oh.
Two different minds.
We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds, telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide.
Two different minds.
We're not the ones who hide.
Two different minds. Telling lies.
That's how we stay alive. There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading on fire, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip?
Finally done. It looks so shiny, almost completely brand new. This took me so long. So I am going to order some oven liners, and then also another really quick and cheap way to take care of that if you don't want to order liners is to measure out some foil, and you can lay those on your wire racks to catch anything that drops, and then just easily throw those away and put another one in. But I think I am going to order some really good silicone liners so that I don't have to come in here and do this very often.
Trip with you, leading on fire, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me?
Next, I am moving into the inside of my dishwasher, and I'm removing these filters. This thing was disgusting. It was full of food and I don't know what else. It was pretty bad buildup in there. This dishwasher is less than a year old, and so, I mean, I clearly haven't touched this until right now. But this is why you're supposed to wash your dishes before you put it in the dishwasher. We used to laugh about this commercial that would come on, and the little girl was laughing at her mom for washing her dishes before she put it in the dishwasher, and she was like, what does the dishwasher even do? But the point is you're supposed to get rid of all of the stuck on food on your plates and bowls and whatever, so that they don't get trapped in these filters like this, and then eventually your dishwasher just does not work properly. So if you haven't cleaned yours, go now. Go get your filters out, take a look at them. They probably look a whole lot like this, and you just have to rinse them out really good, and also clean the inside of the spot where the filter actually sits. And then after this, I'm going to fill up a cup of vinegar and set this on the top rack of the dishwasher and set it on the highest sanitizing setting and let that run. And that will get rid of any like hard water spots that are stuck in there. That part right there, my son was talking to me behind the camera and he was threatening to turn it off, which thankfully he did not. So we're going to let this run and clean the inside of this and also the outside, and then we will be done with the dishwasher. Last one in my kitchen is the refrigerator. I wanted to pull this away from the wall and clean behind it, but it was so heavy I couldn't get it out, so I needed my husband's help to get this out of its spot. So while I'm waiting on him, I'm going to just wipe down the front of the refrigerator.
Tonight, like a west dreaming, I was feeling down low. You just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Open higher than the ceiling. I feel everything is spinning. I was feeling down low. You just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leaning out for you. Leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip, trip, trip with you? Leaning out for you. Leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you.
Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope this provided some motivation or just maybe some helpful tips. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.